to go to class today. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezenwa Princess and this is episode 3 of Keeping Up with Princess. I actually did not expect sewing to be hard. I expected it to be a piece of cake. Come on, I crochet like the amount of times I crashed out. I started attending sewing classes October 2025 and the amount of times I've crashed out. The amount of times I've crashed out. I've crashed out 1,000 times in my lifetime. 9,000 of those times between October and now. I've crashed out, I've cried, I've broken down. The reasons why sewing is hard. Number one, manual machine. But that machine should not exist anymore. I understand that Nigeria, we don't have lights, infrastructure is not as strong like it get. But manual machines should not exist. They look very easy, but they are not. On the first day of class, when my teacher was teaching me how to use the machine, she said, you're going to wind this towards you clockwise. You're going to wind it towards you. It's going to come towards you, right? Then you're going to put your legs on the pedal. You're going to feel the motion. Then you're going to follow the motion. Whenever you hear follow the motion, just know that thing is hard. I'm a very practical person. Tell me, give me actual steps. Things like flow with the motion, they don't make any sense to me. Like 4 months after sewing, I still can't sew properly with my manual machine. Second reason why sewing made me crash out is, you know, this band of that you put in skirts, you see in your trousers, you see it's so neat, it's so fine. Making a band with a skirt works or a trouser works. So first of all, you're going to attach the front side, right? Then the back side. In a normal sewing situation, when you're attaching any side, the side you're attaching is facing you. Like if you want to sew now, where you're sewing is in front of you and you bring it back. But in sewing a band, it is different. The place you're actually sewing is behind. Then you're going to do a method called stop stitching. Stop stitching is when it's a decorative stitch, but in this case for the band, it's very active. You need to sew the band, the back of the band, while hiding it so it doesn't show in the front, so that it is aesthetically pleasing. I hope you got that. So now what happens is that you can't see. The machine is placed under. You can't see what you're sewing, right? But you're just hoping and you're praying that what you're sewing is actually getting sewn. But most times it's not. So what's going to happen is they're going to lose everything and do it all over again. And yeah, tell me that's not a recipe for crash out. Tell me. Good. Number 3 is how expensive sewing is. Sewing is very expensive in the sense that cutting is a very big part of sewing. Having to cut the materials into shapes, right? If you miss a particular shape or you miss a particular line or you overcut, which has happened to me several times, that material is ruined. It's gone. You have to start again at fresh. And while in Tinubu's economy, things are not cheap. So you have to practice when you're sewing. And to practice when you're sewing, you need materials. And materials cost a lot of money. And if you make a mistake while you're practicing, it's gone. You are done for. Like you have to start afresh again with a new set of materials. So yeah, it's expensive. To my last point, I don't like going to the markets.
Time is currently 12:35, and my teacher just told me that we are going to the market. I don't like the market at all, God. The market is really annoying. You know those markets where they grab your hands, like those men grab your hands and wanting to sell to you. The smell is annoying. Like, I feel like the reason why I do not like it is the grabbing hands. I just don't like it. But I have materials that I want to also get personally, and also she has materials she also wants to get. And I'm learning, so I need to learn the act of also buying fabric in the market. So yes.
And to source materials for practical, you have to go to the market. But every time I'm in the market, I'm always angry. I'm always pissed. There's always something that should not have happened, but happened because somebody just doesn't have common sense. It is just annoying. The other day, I was going to the market with my teacher. She's busty. And while we were walking down the market aisle, you know those people, it's New Benin Market, you're familiar with Benin City. And somebody just yelled something very inappropriate. I have not been in market in a while. And I just felt like I've been around a lot of sane people. And it took me a second to process what he said. And when I turned back, I just kept turning back and starting blood of Jesus. I think I did it so much because I was in so much shock, and that was like my genuine reaction. I did it so much that he got embarrassed, and his friend was embarrassed on his behalf, right? But because it did not make any sense. And my teacher, she obviously goes and she does market runs a lot because she's a very talented seamstress, right? And she's like, yeah, she's already used to. I don't like going to the market. Yes, I don't like it. Sewing is not good for my mental health. But will I continue sewing? Of course I will. I will continue sewing. I will continue sewing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. I will see you guys in my next one.
Guys, the way this one is hot. Like some kiss, some kiss. Even my sunscreen. I don't know if it's been working under the sun. So fine. It's fine.
Una bukula ba on again no. I can't do it.
One and a half yards. Like 1 yard.
It's good, right?
Okay. Yes. Aww. Hi, my loves. We are back from the market. I'm so happy. I'm tired. It is currently 7:50 p.m. Let me do a haul of everything I got. This is brown paper. There are 10 pieces. It was 1,500. 1 yard was 2,000, and I have 4.5 yards here. Got 10 pieces of sherry, and it was for 1,000 naira. I got a lot of zips. These are zips. Got this flower material to make this style on your screen. It's going to be a class work, and this is also a class practical. This curve ruler for 2,000 naira. Got this pink biases. Market was a lot, honestly, but it wasn't as rowdy as it normally used to be, which I'm filled with before. I didn't get everything I was supposed to get. Materials are actually pricey. I want to make a bathroom dress, and that material, they said 1 yard is 3,000. Yeah, so I didn't plan for it. So I want to make that a Valentine dress, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So my love, I'm going to be signing out for the night. I am very tired. The appetite I had in the market is the only food that is in my stomach. So I'm actually hungry, but it's past 7, so I cannot eat any other thing again. And that's on weight loss. Yeah, so I love you guys. This is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I really appreciate it. And thank you for subscribing. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Alright, don't you want to see my face? And I don't think that when you subscribe, you encourage me to keep on going. And also tell me what you guys would like to see from me, and I will put your suggestions into thinking that what is it. But yeah, I will take your suggestions very carefully. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my vlog, and come back next 2 weeks to see what I made with all of these outfits that I bought in the market. Okay? Mwah.